Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Ayurvedic style apple chutney. According to Ayurveda, cooking our fruit with spices makes digesting it all the more easier. So fall is here, apples are in season, and this chutney is a great way to include some apples with your meals every day. So let's get cooking. For the chutney, here I have 2 apples. I used honeycrisp apples, but you can use gala, fuji, any red apple, or even green apples. 1 cinnamon stick, an eighth of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 3 teaspoons of powdered jaggery. You can substitute this with brown sugar and adjust the sweetness depending on how sweet your apples are. 1/2 to 3/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes for some heat. I also have 1.5 teaspoons of grated ginger and some lemon. To start, we're going to peel, core, and finely chop our apples like this and set it aside. In a pan here on medium heat, we're adding 1/2 cup of water along with the cinnamon stick. We've broken the cinnamon stick in two to release its flavor. Once this comes to a boil, we're going to add in our finely chopped apples. Give this a nice mix. Reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot with a lid, and cook for 5 minutes. After the 5-minute mark, we can add in our grated ginger, red pepper flakes, the sugar, a squeeze of lemon, and some salt to taste. We want to mix this really well and cook this mixture on medium-low for around 8 minutes till all the water evaporates. We can use our spatula to press down on some of the apple pieces for a smoother consistency, or you can just leave it chunky. After the 8-minute mark, the apple should be completely cooked through. At this point, we can also add in our cinnamon powder for some added flavor and color, and give all of this a really nice mix as well. This chutney can be eaten instead of a pickle as part of a traditional Indian thali, as it hits all the flavor profiles. Or you can also have it with some rotis, or as a topping for rice cakes for a delicious treat. Let me know if you made this chutney, what you paired it with, how you liked it. I love reading all of your comments. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another dish. Bye!